I'll be reviewing my 2016 GT Avalanche Sport 27.5. I am in no way sponsored or endorsed by GT Bicycles. I bought this bike new for around $475 last February at Performance Bikes. I ride mostly single track with an occasional fire road or evening curb jumping session. The bike seems to be holding up fairly well for the amount of abuse I put it through when riding. After 8 months and about 500 miles of riding, the only thing showing any signs of wear is a cheap factory rear tire. The bike comes with hydroformed aluminum frame, SR Suntour XCT fork with 100 millimeters of travel, and 27.5 by 2.1 inch Altera Cypher tires mounted on Altera double-walled wheels. It features Shimano Altus front derailleur and Shimano Allevo rear derailleur, shifted by Shimano Altus rapid-fire shifters. The 685mm aluminum handlebars give the bike an aggressive look while giving the rider impressive handling characteristics. My only real complaint so far is the weight of the bike, the somewhat sloppy looking welds, and the suspension fork. The bike is no featherweight by any means, and you can really feel those extra pounds when climbing. The welds making up the components of the frame seem to be very sloppy for a bike of such caliber. The Suntour suspension fork on this bike seems to be a little too underpowered, especially for doing any type of rocky or rooty single track. The hydraulic lockout on the fork has also been replaced twice because of poor design and failure. All in all, I believe this bike is a great beginner bike. It is priced very competitively and provides amateur riders with plenty of room to learn and grow. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment your thoughts.